Hey parents, we decided to put together this video about some easy and inexpensive activities you can do with your students that are fun, and we'll help them learn their sight words. You'll be able to do them at home for little or no cost. Some of the stuff you'll already have, so that'll be easy. So let's get to it. All you'll need is a cookie sheet, which most of you will have. If you don't, this one was only 89 cents. You'll need some magnetic letters. If you don't have those, a little bag like this was only like $1.50. And then you'll need a list of sight words. I'm using my flashcards that I use in class. You can just get a list of words from your teacher and make a Word document and print it off, or look for some on the internet. But what you'll do is you'll have your student draw a card, and then they need to find the letters. So they'll find the W, the I, the T, and the H, and then have them say the word with. W-I-T-H, with. It's that easy. Just draw another card, do another word. The next one, you'll want to go and buy some craft sticks, tongue depressors, whatever you want to call them, and you'll write just on a little bit of the stick, write the sight word that you want your student to practice. So I have did, with, was, and then you're going to lay them out, and then you're going to go and get some clothespins and just write a letter on each of them. Some of them you're going to need doubles of, like for did, you'll need 2 Ds. And then what you're going to do is just have your student pick a stick, and then they have to clip on the letters to make the word. So they're going to go the D, and the I, and the D. D-I-D, did. Did. And that's all that there is to that one. Okay, on this next one, I just made this worksheet myself on Microsoft Word, so you can do kind of make it fun for your kids, make it original for them. But for these words right here, you can use a dry erase marker or something that's just in a sheet protector, so something that'll wipe off. What I wanted to show you, because I'm trying to do what we call manipulative practices where they have to actually use something, is I've got some Play-Doh, and a little tub like this is pretty inexpensive at your local store. You make little balls and you just stick them on top of the letters, W-H-A-T, and all the kids have to do is spell it while they're squishing it. W, oops, H-A-T. It's just something for their hands to do while they're learning how to spell and what the word is. For the next one, I just did the word on Microsoft Word. So I did what? I made the font really big, and then I made it hollow so that you can build inside of it. And what you do is you take the Play-Doh, you make a little snake or a noodle or whatever you want to call it, and you have your student spell it out. I've had my daughter already do the W-H-A, and now she's going to do the T with the noodle that we made. And she's filling in all the nooks and crannies. They don't have to squish it down. She likes to squish it down, that's okay. They can leave it in a roll if they want, but that's how you do that one. Okay, for our last one, we're going to take some cheapo shaving cream and our flash cards for sight words again. And what you're just going to spray a little bit on the table. Have your student spread it out, and then show them a card. Pretty simple. If you don't want to make a big mess like we just did, you can try putting it in a gallon storage bag. You have to get the proportions just right. You don't need very much in the bag, because if you start writing, then the letters disappear. So that's an option, a cleaner option. But that's that one. So those are just a few of the ideas that we have for teaching sight words at home. Some of them we use at school. They should be pretty easy for you to start and practice, and your kids are going to love it. So thanks for watching.